Hello everybody, my name is Radman, and welcome to another deathmatch. I haven't posted in a while because I didn't, but now I'm playing, so get ready. My mic sucks. This intense loading screen is just really nice. Don't mind the faucet running. This happened last time. Oh, nope. Of course, now it's Mirage, because, you know, Mirage sucks and stuff.
I'm doing what I always do on this map.
My granddad.
What do you do on this map?
I'm doing Knife and Zeus only.
Knife and Zeus only? That sounds like a very fun thing to do.
Why do you do Knife and Zeus only on this map?
But you know what I like to do? I like to
Why
go
do you do
into
Knife
people
and Zeus only on this
fail.
map?
I guess it's places where you can kill.
And then
This is a good Zeus
try to knife because this map is bad. And I also haven't died yet, which kind of
I'm
sucks.
sorry, Dad.
My ears now hurt so bad.
Why do your ears not hurt so bad?
Raw.
Why is your
Sorry, Dad.
stinking volume turned up so high? Oh.
It's so raw.
So I saw that a person. Oh God, be quiet. So I saw that this person had their volume so loud that they couldn't hear an impending tornado, and so they, you know, could have died.
Get this started by you, Dad.
What they could have. They're stupid. They should have turned it off.
Delete my
I'll
asshole.
rip the TV a little bit because it's just crazy.
For future
Oh,
videos.
fuck yeah, 1D.
Someday, sometime in the next month, I'll be playing Sister
We're all
Location.
boys.
Just for
This
you
guy
eight
is
people
really bad
that watch, or
Shit.
how many people watch that? I just wrecked his head back away. Guys, I'm like MG.
A lot of people can't.
I'm MG. Don't mess with me. I'll break your neck. I'll take your sweat. That is mine. Forget what I just said.
My car fell
Never mind.
backflip when I died.
96 and 2, that's fucking gay.
So, I'm going to mute him because he's loud. So where is this guy at that I'm going to have to murder?
Is it bad that I'm a freaking god with one of the SMGs?
Uh-huh. You
No,
can just
that
shut
is
up.
great.
The UMP
If I can mute this guy...
Did you ever see the UMP with
Wait, where did that one guy go?
It's actually really bad. But hey, if you're really good with it.
But hey, if you like to talk a lot, then I'll mute you.
Good for you.
You just went up like 3 things, by the way. Holy crap. Ah! Kill him with fire! Oh my god. Okay. Heading for like either 17 or 87 there. I'm just gonna go with 87. Just so I can be better at this game. Than your mom. You loser! I hate you too! You suck! Well, now that all that background noise is gone.
You're so long, dude.
I had to get rid of the background noise, I had to shoot the TV off. God, this guy. Had to get someone.
Pencil with holes serious for your microphone.
Sorry, I had to sneeze. I was sneezing the mic, that'd be deafening. Okay, so I'm going to do Sister Location,
Oh,
and it's gonna take me a while. Even though I do know some secrets and I don't know some secrets, I'm still gonna do it anyways. I wrecked him.
I play on the map.
Yeah, I don't even know what the fuck that is.
Rep commentary for like the 17th time. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this.
I was really thinking just doing
How
the
can we
same
just
thing.
talk? I don't know.
And then
People
he showed
probably
me
have
a
something to
picture
talk
of
about
his
when they're like
picture.
actually
It
popular.
was a DX racer.
Um,
And then
shut up! Oh my god, you're so loud. Okay, that's better. Like I have like 17 people muted. I like using the word 17. I mean the number
Cool
17.
story, bro.
The word 17 is non-existent because words aren't 17s or any other number. And also, you can stop talking about this subject right now because it's dumb. I also want to play a bunch of one-off games.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me?
Ew, no. I'm
Don't
muting
you?
you just for saying that. What?
Me too.
Oh, I totally had that too.
People who are bad have a girlfriend.
So I want to play a console game, like something, you know, like probably the Nintendo 64, just because Mario 64 is good, but I don't know how.
You little boom pops.
Will you say that again in English? Whatever. I don't even know what that was. Goodbye. There we go. I got it. Murdered. Oh God, he's right there.
She did.
I
TBH.
totally just spray fired him. Like,
So like when I
5
stepped in
seconds
there, I
earlier.
thought
He actually was
they
there.
like went on the other
Just that good
side.
at this game. I feel like my volume is loud. It's probably just this guy that won't stop talking. Okay. Alright, if I could. Cause I got 3. But I didn't. Cause get wrecked. Haha, lol. You hit me for 95. I hit you for 100. Lol, 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 lol.
I know I hit this guy for 26 when I hit him right in his fucking head.
Whoa.
One shot.
He like raped me. Oh, I totally thought I got him too. Hey, I'm on the leaderboard. That's new for this kind of thing. I don't know. So I just want to say, I played a competitive. I played a few, and they were harder than when I was with people like Silver Fours. And also, on that note, I just want to say I played against 2 Novas. For some reason, there were just 2 Novas on the other person's team.
That is, yeah.
And they weren't even, I'm not even sure, but they didn't seem like they were Nova level. Also, don't kill me. Don't kill me. I'm just a peace-loving terrorist. However, that understands it. No! I hit him for 11, just saying. Because I'm just that cool. Mathman. What? I died. That's stutter. I died. Man, I got a concert coming up.
You're like a rat. You just go at her hard for like 15 seconds.
Wait, I'll kill yourself. Oh. I forgot that I had this. I thought I maxed out, but I still got him anyways. So go for me. I mean, go.
You mean Zeus hasn't cock?
What? Oh.
More taps.
I'm gonna get him. I will get him. And it will happen. And he will be dead. Bro, come on. Dude, bro, what the heck? You're like those cartoons where they're like in one area. And they, also, I just want to say, he like took his pistol. He like physically faster than the human body will let you go. And then he shot me 8 times. However, the heck of that works, I don't know. But, you know, he got me in a totally reasonable way. I also kind of want to murder someone. I'm gonna murder this chicken with my knife that I just did. He's gonna die. He's gonna be... Oh! Get wrecked! Get shreked. Check yourself before you shrek yourself. Ah! Oh, that reached a long ways. For some reason. I'm gonna get you. There's no one there. I'm gonna get you. There's no one.
Yeah.
I also just want to say I saw the bullets flying all over my face. Oh, I took 1 I hit you for 30 foot. Well, I can see that. Oh, I totally just blew my cover, didn't I? Oh, I'm totally blowing my cover. Got him. Is there anyone else I can get? Probably not. I'm about to die. I'm not dead yet. I like how he keeps trying to Zeus me. And he got me 2 out of 3 times because he's like really good at this game. Wow, this has been a long 10 minutes. Like, actually, it's been long 1.5 minutes. No. There we go. I had it done. I'm also gonna have to get you. Kill yourself, okay? God, people are so persistent. It's just a deathmatch. See, that's okay because he walked in on me. But if you're gonna chase me down, then you can go murder yourself. I have 10th place. It's all good for me. Not even half what the top guy has, but still, it's pretty good. Kill your sloth.
I'll do it.
Interesting. Fuck.
Did you get Dad have great test scores?
Who's Daryl? Lol, not even like caring who's watching this one. What? Well, whatever. And so CSGO.exe is not responding. Oh really? What happens when I hit wait for the program to respond? Please fix. There we go. Oh, come on. Climb up. Buy a deagle or something. I don't know where he went. He must have disappeared. It was probably a bot.
No scope. Chill.
Bro, you haven't asked him off. You should be better than that. Where's this guy trying to kill me from? Someone's shooting at me from somewhere. Just don't know where. Oh, I totally should have gotten that. I totally hit him. Yep, I hit him.
True.
Okay, well you're done. So I just got down knife kill. However, whatever that makes sense of, yeah. Don't pull out your knife. This is war. And I thought you did. Oh, I hit him? I must have. I didn't like him. I'm
64 tick is so slow.
Oh my god. Oh, he's so dead. Oh, he's not dead yet. Oh, I totally hit him. Yep. Even though it did like no damage. I'm sorry. So what? Oh no. Oh my god, they would have lined up. If I would have had 1 more second, they would have lined up nicely. PB Elite. Peanut Butter Elite. What do you want? God, get away from me.
PBE, your shit, dude. How many shots do you need?
I got you.
Oh, he's dead. I was gonna totally get him. I'm gonna kill from somewhere at some point in my life, maybe. Hopefully. Please. Say bye, please. Oh, I totally should have hit him. No, I didn't.
You can both.
Oh, I was gonna be that what? Yeah. Well, kill yourself, okay? Just kill yourself. But yeah, I hate you. You know what? You know what? You know what? And this is the point where I want to jump rope with their brains because they just go the boom and then you're dead, even though they're on like pit. It's fun. Oh well, Fubbernock, so. Ha 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 ha! Kill yourself. Well, it took with one shot, man. Took with one shot. Also, I'm about to die. So. Never mind. He's dead. Maybe this isn't too bad of a gun from a close distance. He's dead. Yeah, maybe it's not that. I had him. I shot him. He is dead. Go away.
It says I have like 80 ping.
Buy it on iTunes. September 25th, 2009. I'm a little late on that, but I'll get it out someday. I also had to situate myself and put in my eyeball.
Oh, Kelly!
I'm dead now. That's fun. There, that's pretty good. Don't, why? Oh, there's a guy behind me. I'm gonna shoot him. He's dead now. What? Okay, I hit him for 12. That makes a lot of sense. Even though I was going to PvP with the same exact area twice. I mean, like 17 times. I like the word 17. I mean, I just did this. I literally just did this. It's the number 17. That's a lot of blood, by the way. Oh. Oh my god, you suck. This man is terrible. If I could kill him from a Glock from that distance, man, you suck in this game.
Trying to no scope. Jump shot.
Oh my god, it took him that long. That's terrible.
Oh,
He was right. What? Oh, he's dead. Oh, I like them. PT-15s are fun. Oh, I totally thought I got him. He should have been dead. You know what? Kill yourself.
oh, no scope, bitch.
His leg is bloody now. I don't know why he's walking on. I like shot through him. Also, I have a good amount of points. Not like I'm failing or anything. Still.
Hey, did anyone in the server like dank meme?
No. Also, I'm so close to him.
I'm so. Dude, my name. How old do you think I would be? My name is Daddy Nisha. How old would you expect me to be? Like 20? I look 20 years old.
Oh my god, you shot it. Oh my god.
God, this man
Scope.
wouldn't die. Got God blood on or something.
Dude, like Harambe, like I would think we go down like that honestly. Nisha's not like a meme, he's like a normal, like actual kid.
And he's
Nisha's not a
stupid.
meme. He's not a meme.
He's dumb. He needs to use common sense.
Oh my god, Kenbo, get right. Get right, kid. That's flick.
Oh, you one-G'd!
And I'm like,
Oh, I feel abused. My head feels very abused. Okay. Well, I want to play like Super Mario Galaxy 2
you know that I'm
and Mario 64.
I'm actually British.
Someday.
I'm like 10% British.
Someday soon, in the next month or two. At the most, it's going to be about 2 months. I'll play this. Wow! I feel even abused, even more abused than last time, however. Ah! I thought he was dead.
You're so dumb.
Oh, I'm making a video, but I'm almost done. You're late, Matthew.
Dude, don't be talking.
So dumb.
I'm about. Okay, don't be mean in the videos. I gotta sound like I'm a good person.
You hurt my ears.
Well, what did I do?
I had my volume up.
I told him
And
what's
you
best.
just
Well, I'm
killed my
sorry. You
ears.
probably shouldn't have had your volume all the way up. Now I'm totally off
Well,
topic.
I was watching an video, so I had to have it up.
I mean, at least I have some commentary to go off from now.
Minus fuck you.
If you've ever watched my videos, you know that rip commentary is a thing.
Yeah, well, Braden's probably just gonna edit it out, so it's no point basing it off of that.
I'm gonna kill him.
Son,
He's gonna be dead.
Okay, Ken, no, you're not my friend anymore.
Oh,
my
no!
ears.
I totally had him too. Oh! You know, I'm gonna go.
Dude, I like crushing with the too.
Are you
Then
playing
do
a
it.
deathmatch?
I'm playing a deathmatch, yeah. I'm done in
You
about
should
a minute.
scrap that and play comp with me.
You have a picture of a gorilla as your profile picture.
I'll do that once I'm done.
You know what? We should 1v1. We should scrap that and we'll do 1v1.
I'm not gonna scrap this deathmatch, okay? Now that this video is like a big
Wait.
fail. Not the
Why do
biggest,
you do a deathmatch?
Oh,
That's
I
your
wrecked
question.
everyone in log.
I'm still
I
going
literally
to.
wrecked everyone, but
Wait, but why do you like deathmatches?
I don't know. It's easy to do. I mean, casuals are like, and then arms races are just. I mean, I don't know. I guess I could do anything. And just death matches are better for me in videos, I guess. Also, I just try to.
Just chill. Just
can I trick Leech?
But out of anything, you choose deathmatch.
I mean, what's wrong with the death match?
It's so simple. All you do is like shoot.
No, but
and
you
then
get more action that
really
way.
dumb.
Instead of, I mean, who wants to watch you sit there and be totally AFK?
It's more intense in a comp.
Well, yeah, I know, but
You
like,
cut out the parts when you die.
I mean, in a casual, I can't do that. Okay, Brayden will have to do that. Oh,
Since
get
Brayden
wrecked.
is really good at it.
But I mean, I guess after this, I can record us with 1v1ing.
It's
Also,
1754.
I want to get the last kill, but I won't be able to get it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And have a radical day.